Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in West Sussex and I'd like to show you around one of our J garden offices today with a unique use for us. So this client is really local to us in Burgess Hill and met us at the show centre. Actually, the first time I'm physically meeting him is today to show you around this SGO, small garden office, 2.3 wide, 1.9 deep. But unlike most buildings that are generally used as an office, this is actually used for flute teaching and flute practice. So it's a really unique use that he was looking for to get out of this. And a couple of additions here of these sound deadening like foam elements, and they've worked really well. He's just been doing some work and some studying on that, and even with this little amount in there, it really is making a huge difference, along with how dense the building is itself. Also used for online flute lessons as well, so he actually takes his lessons in here online. So yeah, just a really nice use of a building. As you can see, people do not believe me, but the 2.3 by 1.9 is a perfect one-person room. You don't need any more than this, and it works really well. He's actually put a frosted piece of glass into there to give a bit of extra protection. We have set a bit of a sun trap here, so you could in the future upgrade to climate control, but for now we're just going to see how he goes. And there you go. So that's our a 2.3 wide, 1.9 J garden office being used as a flute practice and teaching room under the 2.5 planning rule, within all of the rules of the regs, with a 10-year guarantee and zero maintenance. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. I do appreciate it.